Hello again, this is UML Operator. Hello, in this session we're going to be talking about how to tell what version of Sparx EA that you are on. I've gotten a few questions on how do I determine what version that I'm on, and I've always thought, well, that's so easy. Well, I'm going to show you how. So the first way, which has been around since the beginning, is you go to the Start tab, you go over to Help, and you go all the way down here to About EA, and a pop-up will come up that tells you everything that you need to know about the Sparx version you're on, including what you're connected to. So here's the version that you're on. So I'm on Sparx 16.1, and I'm on build 1627. So see, build 1627, and I'm on 64-bit installation. Down here is your registration key. So if you ever forget what that is, it's right here. Always should keep that on file. And then down here are your repository details. So right now I am connected to my local instance. So I named it Demo Local. And it tells me that I'm connected to a SQLite database, and then I'm on database schema 1558, right? And then down below is your registration details, the license user, and the company, if applicable, that the software is registered under. So this is the demo local instance. Let's go to the demo SQL instance. So this is a direct connect right into the SQL database. So same type of landing page. We're going to go to Help, About, and the only thing that changed here was the repository details. In this case, you see the UML name connected to the SQL instance, and that we're still on database schema 1558. This time we're going to go to Start, and we're connected to the UML demo cloud instance. And so now I'm connected to the same SQL instance via ProCloud Server. All right, now let's go to About. Right, everything's the same, build, license number, but in the repository details, you see the name of the database, the alias that we're connected to, and you see that it's via cloud into Microsoft SQL Server, and then we're still on build schema version 1558. Otherwise, everything else is the same. Another way you can use to tell what version you're on, if you go to Help, and then you come down to Check for Updates, right? So as soon as we select this, we go to a web page that says, this is what the latest build is from Sparx, released on July 11th, 2023. That's build 1627. And it tells you what version, the installed version that you currently have. And I'm currently on the most up-to-date release, build 1627. So when you land on this page, it gives you the ability to, if you're not on the current build and you have your license paid up, your renewal support paid up, it shows you how to get to the download page in order to download the latest version. Since we are connected to cloud and you go over to Help, you'll see under Diagnostics, ProCloud server connection is enabled. If you're not connected to the cloud, this is disabled and you can't click on it. We're going to go ahead and select it, and it runs a test, tells you what version of ProCloud server you're on. It tells you your response time, which mine is 1 millisecond, and then the simple database query execution test that it did, the response time is 2 milliseconds. So if you have issues and you're working with your administrator, your DBA or your administrator, you can let them know via Diagnostics when you run this. But this tells you what version of ProCloud server you're on. So now you know how to check what version you're on. So I hope this video helped you. Please like down below. Click the like button. Let me know if this stuff is helping you out. Turn on notifications to keep up with the videos that I publish on a regular basis. Comment down below, good or bad. Keep me up to date on what questions and concerns you have. And if you need any help on any other areas of Sparx Enterprise Architect, I look forward to getting into some other content with other modeling tools soon. Thanks again and happy modeling.